Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Dan, the Good Morning Mechanic here. We've been doing these tool giveaways every once in a while. We did one for when we first started. Did one at 100 followers, and I've been looking for kind of a neat little thing to do for the next milestone, which we're saying is 500 followers. So this is actually pretty cool. We are giving away this DeWalt little micro toolkit. So the cool part about this toolkit is that it is a 3/8 set. Comes with all your basic sockets. Comes with an adapter, a couple extensions, a little extension. Yeah, and this is a pretty sweet little set. Comes in this nice hard case. It's got a shatter resistant case. It actually interlocks with others of these sets, and actually fits in to a normal toolbox. It's pretty cool. So that's it. That's going to be the set once we hit 500 subscribers. We're really close on Facebook. YouTube, we got a long way to go. So this is going to stay in my garage until then. So hopefully we can hit that in the next month or two. So if you guys want to join us, come on in, join us, subscribe. I'll put in a new set of rules once the new gift giveaway takes off. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning. Peace.